Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Beautyistic, where every product gets the honest, science-backed spotlight it deserves. Today, we're looking at a staple from a brand many of us trust in skincare circles, Roche-Posay's Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. This one's a daily facial cream packed with ceramides and niacinamide, promising immediate comfort and hydration that lasts all day. Plus, it's fragrance-free and designed for all skin types. Oh, and it includes SPF protection, which always makes me sit up and pay attention. So what's going on inside this moisturizer? The formula leans heavily on ceramides. These are essential lipids that help reinforce your natural barrier, making it more resilient against irritation and moisture loss. Niacinamide is another star ingredient here. It's a multitasker known for soothing redness, strengthening skin texture, and improving uneven tone. On top of that, it contains a blend of chemical sunscreens, avobenzone, homosalate, octisalate, and octocrylene, to provide broad-spectrum protection without clogging pores. The volume is a standard 3.38 ounces, and the packaging is compact enough for your daily routine without bulk. I've been using this moisturizer every morning for a few weeks now, layering it right after my serum and before makeup. The texture is lightweight but creamy, not greasy or heavy, and it absorbs quickly without leaving a white cast, which can be tricky with mineral or chemical SPF combos. It felt soothing on my sensitive skin, and the fragrance-free aspect means no irritation or sneezing from artificial scents, which I appreciate. During my typical day, office air conditioning, a bit of outdoor sun, my skin stayed comfortably hydrated, not oily or dry. The SPF shield gave me peace of mind without the heaviness some sunblocks bring. Now, as for the downsides, if you have very dry skin, you might find this moisturizer a bit light for intense winter months. Also, while the SPF is a plus, it clocks in at SPF 30, which is solid but not the highest on the market, so you may want to layer with additional sun protection if you're planning extended outdoor time. Packaging-wise, the simple plastic tube is fine but not luxurious. It's functional, not fancy. Let's weigh the pros and cons. This moisturizer's strengths are its effective barrier repair, thanks to ceramides, the calming and brightening effects of niacinamide, its fragrance-free, non-comedogenic formula, and the added SPF that's practical for daily use. On the flip side, it may not be rich enough for ultra-dry skin types or those seeking very high SPF protection, and the packaging could feel a bit basic if you prefer a more premium feel. Considering price, La Roche-Posay falls in the mid-range dermo-cosmetic category. It's not drugstore cheap, but definitely more affordable than luxury brands with similar ingredients. Given the quality of the formulation and the trusted reputation of the brand, I'd say it offers good value for daily skincare, especially if you're after a straightforward moisturizer that doubles as mild sun protection and barrier support. If you're comparing, products like CeraVe's PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion share ceramide and niacinamide benefits, but without SPF. On the other hand, something like EltaMD AM Therapy offers similar lightweight hydration with sun protection, but at a higher price point. So this one sits nicely in the sweet spot for balancing effectiveness and budget. The packaging, while simple, is sturdy enough for travel, and the product longevity depends on consistent daily use. But with just a pea-sized amount per application, it should last a couple of months easily. I haven't had to reach out to customer service, but La Roche-Posay is known for responsive support and transparent communication if needed. If you want a comparable but more budget-friendly alternative, CeraVe's AM Facial Lotion with SPF 30 is a solid pick with a similar ingredient profile, though texture and finish vary. For those who want a richer feel or higher SPF, you might look into Paula's Choice Resist Super Light Daily Wrinkle Defense SPF 30 or EltaMD UV Clear. By the way, if this review is helping you decide whether to try the Toleriane Double Repair Moisturizer, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so more beauty lovers can find honest, science-backed content like this. Your support really helps us keep going. So to wrap it all up, La Roche-Posay's Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer is a dependable daily hydrator with solid barrier repair ingredients and mild SPF. It's great for sensitive, combination, and normal skin types looking for comfort and lightweight protection. It doesn't overpromise, but delivers steady performance. If you have extremely dry skin or need higher sun defense, you might want to supplement it. But overall, it lives up to its claims and earns a spot in a practical daily routine. Thanks so much for tuning in. The purchase link is down in the description and comments if you want to check it out. And if you've already tried this moisturizer, drop your thoughts below. I love hearing your personal experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.